Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and I love dill pickles. The really good dill pickles that you order as half sours or full sours and come out of a barrel. And when Kirby cucumbers are in season, I'm making pickles on repeat. But for really good naturally fermented pickles, you do need a certain type of cucumber, and you need that cucumber to be in season. So for the rest of the year, I get my dill pickle fix in the form of this dill pickle kraut, which is totally delicious. We use garlic, dill, and cucumber skins to flavor this kraut. The result is a sauerkraut that tastes exactly like pickles. It's amazing. And if you want to learn how to ferment even more vegetables, please subscribe to our channel, click that bell icon, and you'll get alerts every time we come out with a new recipe. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a whole bunch of dill, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cucumbers, peeled. Keep peeling. For this recipe, you'll just need the cucumber skin. 1½ tablespoons of salt, and 1 cabbage. Discard any outer wilted leaves, then quarter and remove the core. Take all your cabbage and cut into thin ribbons. Chop, 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 chop. So many ribbons. Repeat with each quarter. Until you have a pile of cabbage confetti. That's going to be your kraut. Transfer all your cabbage into a bowl, and then add your salt. Just sprinkle it on and start massaging. Massage, massage, massage. What you're doing is getting that salt all mixed in and starting to break down the cabbage so that it releases liquid. Keep going for 8 to 10 minutes. And you're done. Layer your garlic, dill, and 1/3 of your cucumber peels into the bottom of your jar, and then add half of that cabbage. Middle, add another clove of garlic, some more dill, and some more cucumber peels. Then fill with your remaining cabbage. Perfect. Then top with your last bit of dill, cucumber peels, and another clove of garlic. Add your fermentation weight. And if your liquid levels are low, top with brine. Clean everything up. And top with your lid and airlock. Now ferment away. After 7 to 10 days, your kraut's done fermenting and can be transferred into jars and stored in the fridge. The best part, this kraut, unlike a pickle, isn't gonna accidentally slide out of your sandwich. For even more recipes and fermentation kits, check out FarmSteady.com, and please keep tuning in as we come out with more videos on kraut, kimchi, fermented hot sauce, pickles, and more. Happy fermenting!